this lesson, you will learn how to create security policies. A security policy is a rule that can deny access to a Flex system user based on time, day, or IP address. A security policy can be assigned to either a single user or an entire security group. To create a new security policy, Step 1. On the System Settings menu, click Security Policies. Step 2. Click New Security Policy in the Workbench menu. Step 3. Give the policy a name, description, and choose whether or not it should be enabled. In this example, we will create a security policy that restricts access to Flex on weekends. We'll call it Weekend Restriction, give it a description, and enable it as Yes. Then click Create. This will cause the IP address and time restriction fields to appear. Since this particular security policy is a time restriction, we'll only deal with the time restriction field. Click the days that you want the time restriction to apply, and the times when you want the time restriction to start. In this case, we'll have it apply on Saturday and Sunday from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. Click OK and click Update. You can now go to a security group and apply this security policy to an entire security group. Double-click on the security group and select the security policy that you want to apply to the group. Don't forget to click Update to save your changes. You can also apply a security policy to an individual user. Find a Flex system user and then apply the security policy. Let's create another security policy that will restrict certain IP addresses from accessing Flex. So let's say that you only want a certain security group to access Flex from the warehouse. So in this case, we'll give it a name, description, enabled is set to Yes. And when we click Create, we'll go to Whitelisted Networks. Enter the IP address of your warehouse, click OK and Update. Now whichever security group or user you apply this security policy to will only be able to access Flex from the IP addresses listed. If you have any other questions about security policies, please email support@flexrentalsolutions.com.